I was absolutely considering doing this process on my own until one of my friends was like, I'm part of MTCA. And then they were like, I'll get you set up. And we met up with Ellen and we met up with Leo, and I went along with them, and it was the greatest experience I've ever had.
I had in my basement like a whole spreadsheet on the wall of like this audition and this dance call, and it was a headache. And my friend came over and saw it, and she's like, you know about MTCA, right? And I was like, oh my God, thank God. So it was a saving grace.
I was very lost in the entire process, and I came to MTCA, had the consult, met with my coach, and it was so amazing just to do the selection process first, like reading through monologues and seeing this one connects with me, this one doesn't connect with me, and then working on it right after in person. I felt like that structure I really needed, and it was really helpful for me.
Knowing what to anticipate and knowing how to navigate through the complexity of it all, I just frankly can't imagine doing it without the help of MTCA.
I can be the parent who says, well, that sounds great, and I like that song, but I can have a coach who speaks with my child about, yes, that does sound lovely, however, this is probably a better choice. And my child will hear that message from a coach much more easily, much more comfortably than from a parent.
Where would we be if we didn't have MTCA? We would be completely lost. We would probably still be stuck trying to select monologues, the perfect song. And every time he comes back and I hear the monologue and I hear the singing, it's just at a better place. He's growing as a person, and I'm happy that we are doing this together with MTCA.
I feel like MTCA really gave me the coaches and the resources that I needed to keep learning and to keep growing, and I felt like that philosophy will really serve me in college and beyond.